So first, let us look at point slope form of a line. In this form, the given information are the slope of the line and one point through which the line passes. For example, if you have a line, I'll specify this line by two informations. First, I'll give you the slope of this line and a point, a standard point through which the line passes. And I ask you what the equation of this line is, whose slope is m and which passes through the point x1, y1. Now if I ask you this, what I am expecting is some algebraic equation which each and every point on this line satisfies. So to derive that, let us take px comma y as a general point on this line. So is there some condition that these coordinates xy satisfy? Yes. That is, the slope of the line PA has to be same as the slope of this line. So on this line, you take any 2 points, the slope of the line segment PA should be same as the slope of the general line, right? So slope of PA has to be equal to m. And what is the slope of PA? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. This implies y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So this is called the point slope form of a line. So where x1, y1 is the point through which the line passes, m is the slope of the line. For example, if the slope of the required line is 2 and it has to pass through the point 2, 3. If you're asked to find the equation of a line whose slope is 2 and which passes through 2, 3. So the equation of line will be y minus y1, that is y minus 3 is equal to m into 2 times x minus x1. So this implies y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4 on expanding the bracket. So this implies 2x minus y is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So this will be the required equation. So to cross check whether we have got it correctly or not, you can just substitute the point 2, 3 on this equation and see whether this equation is working or not. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, which is true. So this line satisfies the given point, hence there's a lot of chance that it might be true. So this is how you find the equation of a line whose slope is m and passing through x1, y1. This is a very important equation which you need to remember very carefully. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope, x1, y1 is the point through which the line passes.